And here is the Anicro 1¼ inch SDS Plus. This is a hammer drill, and we're gonna test this out. What I like about this is it comes with grease in case you ever need to grease it up, and that comes right there. It comes with a tool to take that off. You got 3 different sized bits right here, an 8, 10, and a 12, as well as some chisels too. But very easy to use. Has this movable handle to just give you better comfort. You've got the hammer drill as well as the regular drill, and then you just spin that, as well as a trigger for hammer drill. It's got 3 different functions on there, so easy to give you a bit in by just pulling this down like that. So let's drill a hole in the concrete and see how it works. Bit in, all you do is pull this down, turn it a little bit, and there it's locked in. Right there's just on vibrate. We're gonna go here to hammer drill. And you can adjust this handle however you want, whatever feels comfortable. Oh, so easy. Piece of cake. And what I'm doing is drilling holes for these to hold weight plates. And now I'll just screw those in. Ready to drill. Woo! Like butter. Peek.
So again, this Anicro 1¼ inch SDS Plus 13 amp heavy duty rotary hammer drill is pretty awesome. I like that it has the 4 functions with vibration control and also has chisels and drill bits too. I've used the chisels on some other concrete and block and it works great. So if you're in need of a hammer drill and kit, this is it. Highly recommend. For sure, go grab one of these.